new air intake hose. I'll start putting this stuff on right now. We are live and live. No, not really live, but we're doing this. Do something I don't enjoy doing is putting the socket down in there and grabbing the extension. Let's see if we can get this down. There we go. Be careful, don't poke no holes in the radiator or nothing. This spark plug socket does not have the, our socket doesn't have the, there's a little rubber piece down in there that'll grab the spark plug for you. That one I was using just a second ago with the gone one, that don't help none. So just stick that down in there. You see now, it'll pull your plug out for you. Plugs, actually not too bad, but we're going to be replacing them anyway. Nice shiny brand new sparkle plug. Be very careful not to let it drop down in there, and make sure you get it started by hand. I know a lot of guys don't like using power tools, putting these in and strip them out. As long as they're started and you're careful, it's okay, but I've been doing this for quite some time, so you learn the feel of it. Because I have stripped them before, and it's not fun to clean them up and have to fix the threads and stuff. Not fun at all. I'm literally getting in the way of my own light. Very careful not to bend that ground strap and cause it to have a misfire. This one we gotta put the socket in there and then the extension, because this one's really tight. I'm bending it down out of the way a little bit and then I'll bend it back. Someone may have cross-threaded that a little bit on us. Pop that socket off and then stick a magnet down in there and grab the socket. The fun things. Make sure you guys can see what I'm doing here. So I know the lighting sucks tonight. I'm popping the socket off the extension. I don't have enough room to get everything out. I'm going to fish it out with the magnet. Back in the socket. I'm going to carefully, very slowly drop that down in there as not to damage the ground strap. Alright. 3 down, 3 to go. You're probably not going to see me do them on the back side, but it's pretty much the same thing, just you got less room. Oh yay. The rubber out of the socket stayed on the plug. That ought to be fun to get out of there. Hopefully, just push the plug down in there, plug socket down in there again, and hopefully grab that rubber. If not, can't get that coil on there. Did we get it? Yay! Yeah, we got it. I don't know if you can see it in there. That's to keep from cracking the porcelain on the, like tweaking the plug sideways and cracking it when you're tightening it down. And it helps you get the plug out of the bowler too. So, that. Got those all started. Just snug on these, not very tight. You don't want to crack that coil. Just enough to keep it from popping out. Bend that bracket back. Start plugging these dudes back in. Not too shabby of a job on these to do. So we're just gonna do the same thing in the back, which like I said is fairly impossible probably for you to see. We'll put you there and see how it turns out. Down here. Good, running smooth. She's a happy camper. Oh yeah.